This 2024 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 2514F is a pop-up RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, external shower, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 2514F is 2,688 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.